Oh, hello. Someone told me that you're looking for a one-bedroom flat that's a bit of a DIY project. Then I think we've got the flat for you. It's on the 6th floor of Duquesne Court. It's historic. It's got so much culture, so much history, and you've got these beautiful views over southwest London, and it's south-facing. So let's have a look at the rest of the video tour. So let's start in the entrance hall. That's the front door on the left. You've got a nice little fitted wall mirror just here. And let's wander into the kitchen. I really do like these checkerboard floors. So we have space for a fridge. We have space for a washing machine. You've got your oven, hob, and extractor. But this is where we say it's a DIY project. You'll notice here, there's burn marks around the oven and also here. So at the very least, you're going to need new cupboard fronts here. I reckon the oven's probably knackered as well, so you'll probably need an oven. But eye level units seem to be okay. The tiles are okay. The work surface is okay. The windows too need a little bit of attention. This is fairly easy to rub down and repaint. But just look at these views, and we will have more of these views as we go in to the reception room. So this is our reception room. You've got the two built-in cupboards. You've got fantastic views over southwest London. That goes all the way out to the Surrey Hills. We're on the 6th floor, and this is 6th floor, and this is south facing. So put your teeth back in, Sean. So let's spin around. Get a good view. The carpet, I think it's seen better days, to be honest, hasn't it? So let's crack on and get new carpets. Going to go into the bathroom. It's a standard white suite. It's got a big tub. You've got a mixer tap shower attached.